Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update house situation at the moment in Kuta area on 2 January 2022. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, I want to say Happy New Year 2022. Okay guys, actually I already do live streaming on Kuta Beach Street yesterday, so you can find the video down this video. But today I want to show you how real condition at the moment in Legian Street. And now we are in Legian Street. Okay guys, today I will make video start from Legian Street, Kuta Beach Street until to the Kuta Beach. So today I will also want to show you how the situation at the moment in Kuta Beach. Okay guys, now we are in Legian Street. Yeah, so far in this area it's not so quiet. There's some car but not so busy also. But I just gonna say I'm really happy because there's all the shop is open now. I mean like I gotta say 90% the shop are open, and some hotel, you see left side there is Love Hotel. Some hotel there's some people stay there. I mean like it's not so empty as before, because last month in this area is still very quiet. The one hotel left side, and also some car parking there. And actually I make this video around 5 p.m. So that's why the hotel look a bit quiet, because maybe whose people stay there, just make a trip in Bali today. And if you see the weather today, it's not so clear, it's a bit cloudy. As I told you, now Bali in riding season. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people missing this area. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali. Okay, now we back to the main street, Raya Legian Street. Yeah, there is some people walk around on the sidewalk, but it's not so busy. Okay, now we are in ground zero. We will see together how look like the ground zero situation at the moment. Yeah, there is a few people make a photo right there. Still a bit quiet, isn't it? In this area I was busy during the night time, because in this area there is a lot of nightclub like VIP left side, engine room right side, Sky Garden left side. Okay, see left side, G4 Hotel. There is some car parking there. That's good. And also on the left side there is a Bounty Club and Paddy's Pub. Yeah, I was busy in the night time. Oh, yeah, now we are start getting busy, because as usually in the afternoon there's a lot of people going to Kuta Beach. Yeah, some people there walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. And from here it's mean like it's the main street to go to Kuta Beach. So that's why now it start getting busy, because in the afternoon. Because in the afternoon there is a lot of people, they want to go to Kuta Beach to see the sunset. You see right side? Yeah, there is the shop still open there. That's good. Also in the left side actually. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian Street on 2 January 2022. So if I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Nusa Dua Sanur and then Pasar. But I will do turn right because I will explore how the station at the moment in Pantai Kuta Street and Kuta Beach today. Yeah, now we are in Pantai Kuta Beach. You see right side, there is one restaurant we call Made Restaurant and also very famous. And now in this area there is some shop are open. That's really good. Because last month I gonna say like in this area is like 98% all the shops are closed. But now step by step the some shops are open now. You can see right side. Yeah, there is some shops are open already. That's really good. Right side is summer hotel and some car parking there. And also in this area there is more shops are open now because in this area is nearby a central of Kuta. I mean like central of shopping area in Kuta. Because at the front if I turn left there is one big mall we call Matahari Square, but now it get bankrupt and they close. And beside the Matahari Square there is Kuta Art Market, and also from here there is nearby Kuta Beach, so that's why in this area is more busier. Yeah, now is traffic jam because on Kuta Beach Street there is a lot of people going to Kuta Beach to see the sunset, and also there is some people go to the big mall in Kuta area we call Beach Walk, so that's why in this area is really busy. Okay guys, now I will try to explore how the situation at the moment in Kuta Beach. See at the front there is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach, but I will going in and have a look how the station there at the moment. Yeah, there's some people there, that's good. You see the weather, as I told you, is today is so cloudy, not so very clear. I mean like the sunset today will be not so good, but I just want to show you how the real station at the moment in Kuta Beach on 2 January 2022. Yeah, there is some people there on the chair waiting for sunset and enjoy the cold bintang beer. See left side, there is the hotel, also some people there. That's good. Was very quiet last month, but now there's some people there. Okay guys, now I will park in my motorbike and we'll have a look how the station at the moment on Kuta Beach. Yeah, you see right side there is a Kuta Beach. The weather is so cloudy. You see there is a lot of people today on Kuta Beach. It is really busy, isn't it? That's really good. Yeah, so today there is a lot of people on Kuta Beach. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Raya Legian Street, Kuta Beach Street and Kuta Beach. So if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.